नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा संबुद्धस्स। नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा संबुद्धस्स। नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा संबुद्धस्स। Let us understand Dhammapada. This is second Vagga of Yamak Vagga. The second Vagga is Manopabagama Dhamma Manosetha Manomaya Mansa cha Pasannen Bhasativa Karotiva ततोनं सुखम मनवेति छायायु अनपायिनी। मनोपुब्बगमा धम्मा, माइंड इज फॉर रनर ऑफ ऑल गुड्स स्टेट्स। मनोसेठा, माइंड इज ग्रेट, माइंड इज चीफ। नन इज इक्वल टू माइंड। मनोमया, माइंड मेड आर दे। मनसाचा पसन्नेन, बाय हैप्पीनेस, बाय हैप्पी माइंड, प्योर माइंड। भासति स्पीक्स, करोति वा एक्ट्स, डस। ततो देन सुखम अन्वेति, हैप्पीनेस फॉलोज, हैप्पीनेस कम्स। Chayu, even as one's shadow, unpiny, fixed, stable, continuous, continuity. तो मनोपुब्बगमा धम्मा मनोसेठा मनोमया, माइंड इज द फॉर रनर ऑफ ऑल गुड्स स्टेट्स। माइंड इज ग्रेट, mind is chief, mind made are they. If one speaks or acts with pure mind, with happiness, because of that happiness follows one, even as one's shadow that never leaves. Means shadow never leaves one. Now let us understand this Vagga by a story of Matt Kundali. Matt Kundali was the only son of a major millionaire. He was suffering from jaundice and was on the verge of death. Because his father would not consult a physician lest some part of his money should have to be spent. The Buddha, perceiving with his divine eye the sad condition of the dying boy, appeared before him. Seeing the Buddha, the boy was pleased, and dying with a pure heart, full of faith in the Buddha, was born in a heavenly state. Now, these two parallel verses were uttered by the Buddha on two different occasions to show the inevitable effects of evil and good. comma, respectively. Man reaps what he has sown in the past or in the present. What he sows now, he reaps in the present or in the future. At the opportune या appropriate time moment. Man himself is mainly responsible for his own happiness and misery. He himself creates his own hell and heaven. He is the architect of his own fate. What he makes, he can unmake. Buddhism teaches self responsibility and the inevitability of the law of cause and effect. Namo Buddhaya. Thank you.